I think everyone should have Shito in their kitchen. It doesn't matter if you're having it with WAAKYE or not, it goes with a lot of things. Shito is a popular versatile Ghanaian hot black pepper sauce that is super flavorful. It is slightly smoky, earthy, and spicy. The condiment typically pairs well with wache, white rice, kenke, even fried yam and potatoes. It is usually cooked on low heat and preserves really well. Let's make shito. We will start by heating up some vegetable oil in a pan. Then we're going to add some onions, lots of it. Don't worry, I'm going to put a list and measurement of everything that I used in the description box, followed by garlic and ginger. Please note that I am doing this on low heat. Then I will add a few red scotch bonnet peppers and green bell pepper, 2 to 3 bay leaves and some rosemary. In place of rosemary, you can use thyme. As you can see, this is not frying aggressively. I am doing this on low heat. I had to reiterate that because we're trying to build flavor. So I left this to do its thing for about 10 minutes. While I put all the dry ingredients together. Into my blender, I added some crayfish, some dried fish, dried shrimps as well, and dried chili. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up or leaving me a nice comment. Thank you. I will bring this to a smooth blend using my Relux blender. I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who has shown me support in so many different ways. I see all your comments. I see all the feedback that you write to me. Thank you so much for sharing. The fried peppers and spices was already cool at this point, so I added everything in the blender with the oil and brought that too to a smooth blend. Blending is done, and so I returned the paste to the pan. Added about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. At this point, I already turned on the stove, but I kept the heat very low. We don't want to rush things and lose flavor. I also added the fish and pepper blend. Now you just need to keep an eye on these and keep stirring at intervals. If it feels too thick and you feel it can use some oil, do add some oil. I felt mine was really too thick, so I added a bit of oil. Aside the one that I used to fry the onions and other spices. I seasoned lightly, just 1 stock cube. Remember that fish, crayfish are already tasty, so you don't need to do too much. Add a little salt if need be. Just keep stirring at intervals and you will see that the color will start to change. It will thicken and start to get darker. The oil at this point too will start to come out. If you feel that you need to add more oil, please do you. As it is now, shito is ready. It is not burnt, we just fried it down till it looks like this. This is so tasty. You will really like it if you try it. And this is it. You can transfer it to a jar and just keep in your fridge. On the countertop, it preserves really well too because this has really been cooked down. If you would like to see the recipe on how to make WAAKYE, I'll put the link in the description box so you can access it very easily. And that's what I paired my shito with. It was so yummy. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope that you try this recipe and share your feedback with me. Remember to subscribe and like and give me a comment if you haven't done that. Bye-bye.